I open my phone. Usually I will use my Facebook first. Then later I will use the YouTube. I like to watch YouTube on maybe learning something, cooking. There's many things on YouTube to see. Yeah.
Currently I'm learning how to use Instagram, yeah, and TikTok. Senior will find it easy to learn through pictures. Easy to learn. Then if you have some explanation, they could understand much more easier.
I used to use WhatsApp very frequent, and I also use transport SG, Payla, and also sometimes weather forecast. Initially, I need help, but after I use it frequent, I'm quite familiar to use it.
For many seniors, digital confidence remains a challenge. D.Lit is a set of cards for seniors to learn digital skills and gain confidence using their mobile phones. Showing familiar scenarios, facilitators invite learners to share the obstacles they face. Users then decide on the skills they wish to learn. They learn at their own pace with clear step-by-step instructions, enlarged images, and virtual demos. At the end, there's a learning tracker that lets them assess their confidence level after learning the new skill.
All these cards, I find that it's very useful.
It's very easy to follow the step, a few steps. Yeah. Can learn, but it takes some time to learn for senior. Yeah. Now the handphone, like every day I have to use one. Yes.
There's a Chinese saying, 做事起头难嘛. Everything you start is always difficult. But the person who want to learn must determined to learn, have a heart to learn, willing to learn. Yeah.